Once again, this is Uncle Jimmy, Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. We made a quick pit stop here at Walmart in Sevierville. Me and my daughter, we decided to stay in the car. My wife and son went in, forgot nail clippers, and I got this hangnail I want to get cut. It's driving me crazy. So, and I told them to give me a sweet tea because it's warm and I have fun filming and all this, and I always forget to hydrate myself. But we're getting ready to go to it's not pronounced caves, it's Cades Cove, but it's pronounced a different way than cave. But it's outside of Gatlinburg. It's about an hour drive, but we're going to go there because it's one of the best places, having the best chance to see black bear in their natural habitat out in the wild. And then you can also see other birds and wild turkey and raccoons and squirrels and other type of animals. I think they've even seen like deer and things like that. So we're gonna go out there because I really want to see some black bears while I'm here out in the wild, and hopefully we see some today. June is their mating season. Best time to see them, they say, is early morning or late evening, but we're going to take our chance to go in the afternoon. Hopefully we'll see some. So follow us on this adventure as we go to Cades Cove and actually try to see some black bear. And I'm sorry about the pronunciation. I can't remember how it's pronounced, but it's best chance around here to see black bear in their natural habitat. So follow us on this adventure. Well, folks, we're 12 miles away. I just wanted to give you some of the sights here, the Smokies. It's pretty. Got the water over here to the side, the mountains, all the trees. But we're 12 miles from Cades. And I'm sorry I pronounced it Cades Cove. It's actually Cades Cove with a D. It's C-A-D-E-S, Cades Cove. But I wanted to film a little bit here, the water and all the sights as we go up the mountainside here to Cades Cove. Hopefully we get to see some black bears today. That's what I'm hoping for. Boy, that's pretty, all that water. Little waterfall there. Never know, might see a bear over here in the creek. Just never know. This is mating, like I said before, it's mating season for bear. They just had their babies in the spring, so might get to see a lot of baby cubs with their mommy bear, I'm hoping. I'm through a neat little tunnel here, straight ahead, under a mountain. Right through the mountain. People stop looking at the creek, take pictures. It's a nice day to go for a little country ride into the mountains. Look at all the sights and sounds. So follow us on this adventure. When we get to Cades Cove, we'll see if we can see us some black bear, maybe some deer, some wild turkey. Who knows? So follow us on this adventure. So we got right here to Cades Cove, and we've got some wild turkey up here ahead. I'm gonna get as close as I can to them. They ain't gonna let me get real close, but so first wild animal spotting right here. Got wild turkey. crossing the sidewalk here. It's about as close as I'm gonna be able to get, folks. So there's our first wildlife we've seen, wild turkey. Hopefully we get to see some black bear and deer too. So follow us on this adventure. Well, we made it to Cades Cove, 1-lane road, and following the traffic here, and hopefully we see some black bears and some deer. Love to see some baby cubs, that'd be cool. Like, there's a sign that says stay back 50 yards, you can be injured or killed. And they have, I think they've got elk or moose. I think it's elk, wild elk down here too. So we'll drive through here and take in some of the sights.
Take pictures of them if there is any.
Donation boxes that you can donate money to keep this up. It's for the wildlife. There's some horses. We'll go through a little stream here, a little creek. Some pretty horses over here to the left. Keeping my eye out for you in case we see something. Well, this is about an hour drive outside of Pigeon Forge. It's only like 47 miles, but because of the mountain roads you gotta take, it takes about an hour and 15 minutes to get here. So follow us on this adventure. If we see anything, we'll be right back and show you. So follow us. So we decided to stop here, and I wanted to film this Baptist church up here in Cades Cove. So we seen a deer and a buck back there, a great big buck, but wasn't able to film it because we weren't close enough to it. Got a little history sign. There's a little cemetery up there too. A little sign here. It says independent but not isolated. It said church congregations held baptism in large creek pools during the summer months. This baptism of Amy Birchfield is taking place in Abrams Creek in 1920. This is some of the first settlers that had access into the Cades Cove. It's originally a path used by Cherokee Indians. So let's go check out the Baptist church here. Some older graves there, probably from the 20s and 30s. Old style church. Looks like some of the original wavy glass they used to make back then. pretty old church. Follow us on this adventure. Alright, give you guys some view of the mountains over there. Ain't seen no bear yet. Don't mean we're gonna see any, but we're gonna keep looking. There's some pretty views here to Smokies for sure. So if you're up in this area, it's a nice little ride and go out and look at nature. If you like that sort of thing. Keep hoping to see a bear, but no luck yet. So follow us on this adventure. Well, folks, unfortunately, we didn't see any bear today, but we are going to stop at this neat little store on the way back. My daughter's seen one to see. It's an oddities gift shop and piercings and stuff, but we'll stop and check that out on the way back to Gatlinburg. So follow us on this adventure. Well, we're headed back to Gatlinburg. I don't know if we're going to be able to find that store or not, because I think it's taking us back a different way. But boy, there's some pretty views of the water rapids and waterfalls, mountains we're driving to. Let's see if I can catch some of the creek here, the river. There you go, people swimming out there in the rapids. See some of the water here on the drive. It's beautiful, beautiful scenery. Bet there's some nice trout fishing in there too. People laying down there on the rock. So we'll see where we come out, see if we can find that store. If not, we'll be ending the video here shortly. So follow us on this adventure. So folks, that's about it for the Cades Cove. We're coming back into Gatlinburg. It took us in a big loop. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're watching, please subscribe if you haven't. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions. As always, give this video a thumbs up and share it. Till next time, it's been Uncle Jimmy, Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. Goodbye.